Every time I cook meals at the house, I could see the delight and excitement of my parents and siblings. But then I realized being a chef isn't easy. You should have a good food, but then at the same time, the food should have a good nutritional value. Hi, my name is Marjorie Medrano Pablo, 22 years old from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I took a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, major in Cruise Management at Northwestern University, Philippines, with a course of Culinary Arts and Science and International Cuisine. Hardworking, outgoing, and friendly. And aside from cooking, I love to eat. Teamwork and trust is very important to me, because without these two, no business partnership will be successful. I love to cook and to see the people's face light up when they like the food that they prepare. Food makes people happy, and I love to make people happy. If you will give me the opportunity to be part of your meeting, you will help me to achieve my dreams. After my internship, I know there will be more challenges for me, but with your guidance and help, I know I will be ready. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you for your time and consideration. Hi, my name is Marjorie Medrano Pablo, and I'm here to show some of my basic knives. First thing I want to show you is how to hold your knife. Middle finger near the blade so that you can balance it. Your thumb and your pointy finger must touch the metal form with the handle. And imagine there is a hole between. Don't grip the knife too hard because your hand might start shaking. Use your other fingers to guide the knife. Take the carrot and cut a little bit of the top off. Cut this carrot into half. The position of your hand is very important. It should be like this. Put your knife where to begin your fingers, hold them back a little bit, and slice it down. And slice it again, and slice it again. When you're doing the slices, don't go fast. Get the technique down, speed come at time. And it should be thin. Put your knife where to begin your fingers. Hold them back. When you're doing the slices, don't go fast. Get the technique down, speed comes at time. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Marjorie Pablo. Hope to hear from you soon.